guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am going to be showing you how to take a t-shirt and make a face mask. So you're going to need one t-shirt, and mine is a size large, and you're going to need a pair of scissors for this fabric face mask. Okay, so you're going to spread out your t-shirt and you're going to cut along the seam one sleeve out. Okay, and this is how it looks when you get your sleeve cut out. So one t-shirt will make two masks. Then you're going to take your sleeve and you're just going to flip it so that the seam that was on bottom is now on top. Okay? Next, you're going to spread out your t-shirt and go to the very bottom of your t-shirt and you're going to cut your strings. So just go above where it's stitched and just cut all the way across the t-shirt. On each end, on each side where it's seamed, you're going to cut each side so that you'll have two strings. Now I'm going to take one string and thread it through. And this is the opening of the sleeve at the bottom. I'm just threading the string through to the top. And we'll do the same on the right side. And then here's the seam that was on the bottom of the sleeve when you cut it away from the shirt. You're going to take these two strings and you're going to tie them just above your ears on the back of your head, and these two strings just below your ears tie at the back of your head. I forgot to mention that you'll want to stretch your strings to make them longer so that it's easier to tie on. And so this is how it looks. Fits very nicely and it's comfortable to wear, very inexpensive and easy to make. It only took a few minutes to make. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and be safe.